This phone right here, this smartphone charges faster than your flagship phone. No jokes. This right here is a all new Tecno Spark 40 and it comes with a 45 watts charging ability. So all you need to do is charge this smartphone for 44 minutes and it will take you through the whole day. And also you can make free calls. You can make free calls and send SMS, send messages without the internet or your SIM card network. Okay, I'm going to show you all of that in this video. But first, let's get this smartphone unboxed and see what's inside the box. So when you open the box, you are greeted with the smartphone first. And then next you have the MTN free data, the warranty card, a SIM eject pin, a rubber case for the phone, and an earpiece. And then the 45 watts fast charger. Now in terms of design, this smartphone comes with a design that really stands out a little bit from the predecessor, although it is still rocking the iPhone look-alike. But I don't know why they still want to keep the iPhone design. Anyway, it is plastic build with a slim profile and also very lightweight too. Now this right here is the ink black color. It is available in other colors too, but for the price, this phone costs 142,700 naira. And for that price, you get an IPS display that refreshes at 120 Hz. Very fluid and responsive to touches. Now this is a 6.6 inches display, a practical size to watch all of your contents and more. And you also get to enjoy the stereo sound that comes from the dual speakers on this phone. You have the volume up and down keys and the fingerprint scanner that is also the power button. And then the tray for your SIMs and memory card. You have the USB Type-C and the earphone port, and then the microphone. Now the Spark series are becoming more and more interesting, especially if you look at the recent introductions and ever since the release of this smartphone. This phone is making a lot of noise, and I believe Tecno is cooking up a whole lot. Personally for me, I'm looking forward to seeing that concept phone. The concept phone that Tecno introduced earlier this year. It is still a Spark series though, and I'm looking forward to seeing it hit the market. See, the truth is, no matter how much it is, if that phone gets into the market, we are going to buy it. Now, this one also have a very sweet design. It looks simple, but it feels premium. And I cannot wait to see what Tecno is cooking up in the Pro, in the Tecno Spark 40 Pro, which is why you need to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss that particular video. This one is rated IP64. It is water resistant and also dust and drop resistance. Now the processor that runs the show here is the Helio G81 chipset, paired with the 4 gigs of RAM that can be expanded and the 128 gigs of internal storage. So I've had this smartphone for a while now and the performance is good. Don't forget it is a budget smartphone and nothing really special about the processor. It is the same on the Redmi 14C, so you can play casual games without complaint and it handles basic tasks responsively. Switching and launching apps are normal. But the main selling point of this smartphone is the 44-minute charge and the fact that it charges faster than your flagship smartphone. And also if you charge it once, it takes you through the whole day. And also you can make calls for free without internet connection or your SIM card network. And for now, this feature is only available on Tecno phones, so hopefully other brands can do same. Now how does it work? Let me show you how. The most important thing is you will need to have the free link app on both smartphones and then connect it via Bluetooth. So once connected, you can call and also send messages without the internet or your SIM. And it's a very good feature. And then you also have the iArrow remote control app, which you can easily set up and control your electronics. Now coming to the camera of this smartphone. This is a 50 megapixels main camera lens. And these are samples taken with this phone's camera. In broad daylight, it has nice details and also colors are looking fine. But for me, the portrait pictures are my favorite because of how it separated the background. And then you have an 8 megapixels front-facing camera, which also did well. Now videos are 2K at 30 frames and also very commendable, just that the results lack a bit of contrast. Guys, what do you think of the picture quality and also the sound that you're hearing coming out from the Tecno Spark 40? Now this is a 2K at 30 frames per second video from the 8 megapixels front facing camera. Now yes, it does a good job trying to replicate the skin tone, but I think there should have been an improved selfie camera here. But it is what it is. So what do you guys think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now the truth is, there is nothing really so special about this phone's camera. But if you look away from the camera, this phone in the budget segment has to be the fastest charging smartphone under 100,000 naira or $90. And all the hype about this smartphone having a 44-minute charge that can take you through the whole day is actually true. But here's the truth. You have a 5,200 milliamps battery here that when you charge it for 44 minutes, it will give you 65% battery that can take you through the whole day. No jokes. I've tested that. But aside from that, it is not everything on this smartphone that is perfect. For me, the selfie camera, the 8 megapixels here didn't go well for me. I think we should have had something even better right here. So maybe the Pro version should have some of these things fixed. And also at this price point, at the price of 142,700, the offer that it brings to the table is okay. Just that some phone sellers may likely increase the price, but at least they should be fair enough. And for that price, you're getting a very good performance, a decent design, and also everything else that comes inside the box. Honestly, for me, it is worth it. So let me know what you guys think about the Tecno Spark 40. Please come to the comments and let's talk about it. And also, if it's your first time watching this video, please don't leave. Don't leave without hitting that subscribe button. And I will see you in the next one. Don't forget, the Pro version is just around the corner. And also, if you want me to make a comparison, let me know which phone do you want me to test out in the comment section. And I will see you in the next one.